when you go out, if you go out, wear a mask. You shouldn't be going out unless you have to. You know, I put out something a long time ago about family shopping. I'd see 5 and 6 people in a family going into Stu Leonard's. When Lucia and I go, I'll wait in the car and she'll go in, or she'll wait in the car and I'll go in. There's no reason for 5 people to walk into Stu Leonard's as a family and do their shopping together. Same thing with Halloween. You know, children can get it very easily, and we're seeing some of the numbers starting to come down in the lower age brackets. I mean, not the numbers coming down, the age is coming down. So, you know, we'll see 7 or 8 young people in the age category 0 to 9 contracting the virus. So they can get it. It may not be as serious for them, maybe not much more than a cold or a flu would be, but they can bring it home to an elderly parent, to an elderly grandparent. People need to understand that. So we're getting the word out. We're discouraging trick-or-treating, trunk-or-treating, haunted houses, and providing different information where people can find Halloween activities that their children can enjoy.
Did you mention transit districts?
People are asking about what is the capacity of Norwalk Hospital to treat COVID. Thankfully, we are on a meeting every Thursday with the hospital and their staff. Right now, their capacity is not being challenged to any great degree. We are still in good shape. Somebody else asked why people should get tested. You should get tested for one reason. Well, first of all, if you have symptoms, you absolutely should get tested. But you should get tested. You may be asymptomatic. You may be a carrier or a spreader, and you don't even know it. So, you know, that's what Lucia and I are in quarantine for 14 days because we came in close contact with my grandchildren, and this could incubate over a period of 14 days. We may not know that we have it, but by getting tested, we know that right now we don't have it, but we still could be asymptomatic, and it's still someplace in our body growing, and we may feel symptoms. So everybody should get tested. And keep in mind, unfortunately, that you get tested today, you could get it tomorrow. So the more tests we do, the better off we would be. I don't know if there are any other questions. I tried to answer them as they were popping up.
Yeah, thank you, Mayor. I think if anybody has any more questions for the mayor, he's great, so he's easily accessible. But we kind of have to move on and talk about the election. But one thing to the testing, at the Day Street, as the mayor said, the Day Street Community Health Center with their Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to, I think it's 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. testing is really amazing. As a result, I just get tested like once a week just because you just never know, especially younger people that may be asymptomatic. It's just the right thing to do. Anyway, thank you so much, Mayor.
Lucia just reminded me that Norwalk Transit is not going to be collecting fares anymore. They've suspended, or no, they're going to be starting collecting fares. I'm sorry. They had suspended collecting fares. Now they're going to be collecting.
Oh, okay. Good to know. Thank you so much. Now we'll move on to Senator